Okay, so today we're looking at a 1966 Impala. So this thing is in a gray primer already. It has been driven around. So this will be coming in for light bodywork and paint. Engine bay will most likely be getting detailed. Disassembly of the exterior trim. Block sanding lightly just to identify any major dents. Lightly bodyworked. Scratch refinement and some priming. Overall, it's been scrubbed down with some soap and water, and it feels pretty straight so far. But we'll see what the block kind of shows me when I block sand it out. Going to start with some masking, disassembly, masking up the interior, the engine bay, taking off the door panels and prepping the door jambs, taking the door handles off, belt molding. Interior's in good condition. Okay, now we're looking at the Impala. Is being masked up and prepped for block sanding. So the door jambs are all masked up, the engine bay, and then all the glass. The trim has all been removed. So this has now had a quick orbital sand with 180 grit. See, the entire car has a scuff on it. Some of the edges that had some paint peeling are all feathered. Also now, there's a white guide coat on there. So there's white paint I've sprayed on it. It looks like pebbles. So this now will be getting block sanded off. Back down to the black primer, and then any dents will be a lot more visible because they'll still have the white primer in the dent. Passenger side, driver side, same thing. There's a few rust spots that will be getting sanded out. There's some minor dents. One that was identified during the first scuff was a dent right here. But otherwise, I'm sure a few more dents will be getting identified. There's a little bit of a dent right here and whatnot. As this thing gets blocked out in another 180 grit, and then the bodywork stage and spot priming will begin.